Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI to show you how to clone your voice. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to choose an AI voice cloning tool. For this tutorial, we'll be using Speakify. Head over to speakify.com and log into your account. Go to the AI Voice Generator section. Hover over the voice clone option and select it. Click on the Try Voice Cloning button. Select Import My Voice. In the pop-up, you can either start recording your voice or choose an existing file. If you select the Choose File option, find the audio file you want to use and upload it. Once your voice is uploaded, click on the Generate Audio button. The system will process your voice, which might take a few minutes. After processing, listen to the generated voice. Once satisfied with the result, download your cloned voice and share it as you like. And that's it. You've successfully cloned your voice using AI. Thanks for watching.